Tilly and Fireflow.
Here we are at the start of our northbound Appalachian Trail adventure.
We are starting near McAfee Knob. 8, heading north. One of the first good views with no trees in front of it.
Here you go, Tilly. Say hi. How far is it down, Tilly?
Well, it's further than my stick.
You don't have to go that far.
At the top of McAfee Knob.
Well, the top of the tree line is below the colors in the mountains. Oh, that's going to be pretty.
The sunset at McAfee Knob. This is where I spent the first night. Full Heart Knob Shelter. There are some beautiful rocks along this trail. At this time, I didn't realize I would be climbing over many of these rocks and not going around them. And here's the view of the mountains. Yes, I climbed up all these rocks to here. This is a nice part of going uphill. When it's not all rocks. More beautiful rocks. Some of the spots are very tiny to get through. And sometimes you're climbing over the top of the rocks. The trail is sometimes very close to the edge of the mountain. And one has to be very careful. More beautiful mountains in Virginia. One doesn't often see daffodils, but these are ones at McAfee Knob.
They're gorgeous.
It's really nice and breezy up here. Really feels good. There are sometimes challenges when you have the trail, especially when a tree falls down. And you have to go under the tree. First meal after hiking 3 days in Daleville, Virginia. This is Teresa and Homer Witcher, trail maintenance people in Daleville. He's been doing it over 42 years. This is a good stream to collect water. Of course, we have to purify it as well. This is the campsite for tonight. It's really been windy, so I'm really trying to get the doors shut so no wind will come in and freeze me out tonight. My hammock is under that tarp. Of course, over in the corner there is my backpack. Another sunset. It's really windy up here today. When a tree falls, the maintenance people sometimes have to be ingenious, so the trail goes on. I did my first yellow blazing so I could catch up with Flo along the Blue Ridge Parkway with Jim and I. It sure isn't easy climbing. The deer is checking me out. James River Footbridge, which is the longest foot user-only bridge on the AT. One of the meals at Stanimals Hostel in Glasgow, Virginia. A group of the people that were there the weekend that I was there. Did some sewing when I was there, repairing people's hiking gear, and also made curtains for their bathroom.